All right, so we finally have a winner. It took a little while to get the contact information and all that sorted out, but Brian from New Jersey, this little guy is heading your way. And if you're wondering what he won and what was going on, when I hit 500 subscribers, I did a little giveaway contest. And the contest was basically, I was gonna basically design and print a Bahtinov mask for the winner. And here it is. It's got little tabs on it, so hopefully it'll sit on the front. And I'm gonna pop that into an envelope and it'll be sailing its way, hopefully at some point with some speed, to Brian in New Jersey for his Orion 130 millimeter reflector. All right, there's the Bahtinov mask. And here it is going into the letter carrying device. Oh, come on. Which has his address on the other side. Trust me, I just don't want to tell everyone where Brian lives other than New Jersey. And just to make sure the tabs don't necessarily get totally destroyed, throw in some pus. And then yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, I'll work around that, but there we go. Yeah, you know it's 2020 when there's a mask on the wheel. Okay, so we just need to drive into town to drop this off at Canada Post, and that will be complete. So a lot of fun leaving the house, venturing into the unknown. Okay, so apparently we need to get my mom's car first, and now that that's done, I've been able to drive back to the post office, and I got my mask.
Which one?
The one above that? Yeah, that one.
Is the Ontario or Quebec, correct?
Okay, so the package has been mailed. I hope it gets to you safely, Brian, and to everyone else. Thank you for participating. And if you're wondering if I'm going to be running another giveaway, I'm looking at some options for when I hit 1,000 subscribers. Right now, I think I have one gift in mind. I may also do some more printing. However, this time I'm stealing a concept from another vlogger that I saw so that people pre-register for that giveaway, so that once the giveaway is done, I'll have your information, email, etc., so I can send you an email saying, hey, what do you want? Get it done and get it delivered to you ASAP rather than the general, let's take almost a month and a half to connect and get that done. So lessons learned from the last one, and be sure to keep an eye out because I'll be posting that around about when I hit 1,000 subscribers, and it will be, the contest rules, etc., will be on my website when I finally get around to getting everything set up. But so far, it looks like I got one prize already. If I throw a couple 3D printed Bahtinov masks into that as well, I'll get a couple prizes, and I'll have more information on that later. Until then, please enjoy the Vlogmas craziness that I'm doing this month, as I'm just basically trying to put a new video out every single day, and I think this is now day 6 or 7. I don't know. I'm generally videotaping them like a day or two in advance just to make sure I can keep up with it, because obviously I can't film a video at like 2 o'clock in the morning with astronomy and then say, okay, gotta edit that and post it by 7 a.m. the next day. Anyhow, so if you do want to check out the craziness about Vlogmas, here's the video, and then probably there's a subscribe link or something. I don't know. Whatever I decide to put on the end of this video, because if you don't, YouTube gets angry. So congratulations to Brian. Hope you enjoy this, get some use out of it. And thank you for watching.